To verify Cash App to send Bitcoin, you need to start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the profile menu, select the option that says Support and then click on something else to reveal more options. You will then see an option that says Verify Bitcoin and Stock Accounts. Select this option to begin the verification process. You will be asked to provide some personal and identification information such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number. You will also be required to provide a valid government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport. This information is necessary to comply with anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer regulations. Once you have entered all the required information and uploaded your ID, submit it for review. The verification process typically takes a few minutes, but in some cases may take up to 24 hours. After your account is verified, you will be able to send and receive Bitcoin using the Cash App. To do this, tap on the Banking tab and select Bitcoin. Then tap on the Send button and enter the recipient's Bitcoin address or scan their QR code. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so make sure to double-check the recipient's address before sending. It is also important to note that Cash App charges a small fee for Bitcoin transactions. This fee will be displayed on the transaction screen before you confirm. By following these steps, you can easily verify your Cash App account and start sending Bitcoin. Always make sure to follow best practices for security and only send Bitcoin to trusted recipients.